6.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. My name is Vipasha Vishwas. I'm from Kolkata actually, and I'm basically living in Rathinagar, and I'm doing my graduation in BSc second year in major subject chemistry.
So, what is your future plan?
My future plan is I really want to become a cabin crew.
So, what you do in these days?
In these days, I'm learning English. I am improving my communication skills and also improving my confidence.
Is your hobbies?
My hobbies is learning new things. I love to do new things every day, and I love to read books, and I watch motivational videos also.
Who inspire you the most?
I think the I don't have any inspirational person in my life. I think I keep myself motivated. Like I used to do things that keep me help to improve myself, and I watch motivational videos and movies and books. I read books also.
Okay, tell me about your inspirations.
Inspirations. So, first of all, I literally believe that when I have to improve myself, I think whenever I do anything, I still believe that that thing is not so good for me. Like I did anything, and I'm not perfect in that. So I believe that I have to improve myself, and this thing motivate me.
That means there is no one
Inspiration.
other
No,
inspire you.
I think if I have to inspire myself, then there's only me.
Which activity do you do most? Which you
Which dancing.
like dance?
Yeah, a lot.
So currently you are doing BSc in chemistry,
Yes.
and your future goal is want to become a
Cabin crew.
So what there is vast difference, as chemistry is a different field and cabin crew is a different field.
Yeah. First of all, I have to do my graduation because it's compulsory, and I think it's requirement for international agencies. In India, we don't have to complete our graduation, but I have to if I have to apply international flights, so degree is important. That
Why chemistry?
I think I was literally bad in chemistry. I have to improve my chemistry, but after choosing that, I think it's not good for me. So that's why.
So can you tell about from your schooling, about your schooling, as you are from Kolkata. So
Yes.
did you complete your schooling in Maharashtra or Kolkata?
I completed my school in Chhattisgarh.
In Chhattisgarh. How?
Uh,
Okay, let me plus. What is your father's occupation?
my father in a private sector actually. Yes.
If your father is in army or in
No, no, no.
So, what you do in your free time?
I like to do dancing, cooking, and learning new things like crafting, video editing, and making new things like uh, bracelets, earrings. I just love to do creative things. That's all.
Okay, tell me, how do you face hardship in your life?
First of all, I learning to stay calm because whenever there a hard situation come in my life, I start uh, doing panic. So it's not good for me. So first of all, I stay calm and I understand the situations, and I learned from that mistake, and I thought that I should never do that again.
Describe yourself in one word.
Confident.
If you want to become a cabin crew, I don't know about cabin crew. Can you explain the cabin crew and risk work and responsibility of cabin crew and the path of becoming is any prerequisite for becoming the cabin crew?
Yes, cabin crew is a career that, in simple word, I can say air hostess.
There also.
Yes. First of all, if I want to become a cabin crew, I have to crack interviews and medical rounds and BMI rounds. Then after cracking interview, I have to
Before interview,
Pre-
there is no any written exam.
no, after interview. After
there is
interview,
a written exam.
yeah, they select us for 3 month training, and after 3 month training, they give us. I think they took exams, and in that exams we have to pass. We have to score 99. Sorry, not 99, 90%. It's a passing score.
It's government job or private sector?
It's private because
It's a private.
yeah, flights agency is a private sector.
So what is your strength and weaknesses?
The strength is I can handle any pressure easily and calmly, and I can work with many pupils, and I have that much ability that I can work in group works. And my weakness is sometimes I can't stay calm and I start panic, and I believe every person easily. And I think managing my time is also a big hurdle, and I think I don't speak English fluently, so I have to improve that.
You enjoy working with other people.
Yes, a lot.
Do you like to lead in work?
Yeah, if I get any opportunity like leading, then I will enjoy it.
Can you give an example where you managed the task successfully under pressure, as your strength is managing the task under pressure?
First of all, I literally want to understand the problem, and after problem, I
Any,
will
any past activity
past activities,
means there you can
Uh,
perform your skills, and your strength is
managing time,
managing time. No, your skills is
managing
performing
pressure.
under pressure.
Okay, so if there's no any situation, because if I have any situation like that, like I only face that situation in college, because we have to face any situation in college, like they called us anytime for anything, for anchoring, for speech, without informing us. So
So
it
are
was
you active in participating various type of activities in your college?
yes,
So can you name your college?
Shri Shivaji Science College.
Yes. Second.
Yes, I'm in second year.
So last year you participated in gathering,
Yes, I have participated in gathering.
English activities.
In dancing, I was choreographer of my group.
Okay, you are a photographer of your group.
Yes.
Only dance.
Yeah, only dancing, and I also participated in singing, but I don't know how to sing very well, so I just left that group.
Okay, tell me, if there is a situation like there is a one beggar standing by the road,
Yes.
so how do you react when you observe that person?
First of all, there's
He's
a
begging for something.
begging for something.
Yes.
First of all, I will observe, like there's a lots of types of beggars who are physically fit, but they still do begging, and I just hate that type of things. Like they are physically fit, then you can do jobs also, you can do any works also, still of what can I say, like depending on pupils. And after, if he is begging, I will give him anything he wants, but I will tell him that you are physically fit, then you can do any work for your family. It's gonna be more better for you. I'll do that.
Which thing you don't like to do?
Which thing I don't know. There's a lots of things I still hate about myself, but I still do. Like I literally improving my communication skills. I think I don't have that communication skills, but I literally improving myself, and I learning about how to manage time. Like I have bad habit that I arrive anywhere late, but after joining this class, I'm learning that I'm learning that I think I'm improving myself in managing time. So that's it.
Okay, you are a very clever person, and your English language is very good, or your English very good. So tell me, what is the role of Oxford Spoken English classes in your life, in improving English language?
So, first of all, I just want to say a few things. After joining this class, I literally know a lot about English that I didn't know before. After joining this class, I improved my communication skills, I improved my confidence, I face my stage fear that is literally important for me, and I think this class helped me more for improving myself.
Tell me about tell me about your 10th standard school name and percentage you got. After that, 12th standard school name and percentage you got. And in 10th standard, which subject you love, and in 12th standard, which subject you love.
Education.
So start sequence first.
Okay. In 10th standard, I was in what was the school name? Actually, I my school was different, but my center was also different. So my result was given about my in center's name. It was Rambo Memorial School, Mungeli. So I got 96 marks in 10th, and after 10th, I come in Maharashtra, and Maharashtra I got admission in government ashram school, and in that in 12 I think I got 70 marks, and I don't have any specific favorite subject in also in whole 12 years. I just give same time in all subjects.
Okay, so you traveled lots of states in our country. So which states is your favorite? Chhattisgarh, Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Okay, Kolkata. So how many years do you spend in Kolkata?
Kolkata is my birthplace. It's my hometown.
How many years you spent there?
I still go there. I think whenever I got vacations, so I go there. Yes.
So you know the Bengali language also.
Yes, I can speak. I can speak 4 languages.
4 languages.
Yes.
Okay, Hindi, English, Marathi.
Hindi, not English, also Chhattisgarhi.
Chhattisgarhi. Also.
Yeah.
So please describe the Kolkata states. Is it better than Maharashtra or Maharashtra is better?
I can't compare states because
West
I
Bengal state. Kolkata is in West Bengal.
Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal.
West Bengal. Yes.
Yes. So I can't compare them because I believe that every state of India is best, every culture is best, and every language has their own feelings. I think India is the best. So I can't compare them. I think culture is different, food is different, peoples are different, but I think the one thing is same is our nationality, our India. So
Okay, as you know Bengali language well, can you describe about Amravati city in few words
in Bengali,
in Bengal?
ওকে অমরাবতী একটা অনেক ভালো জায়গা। আমি এই জায়গায় আসে অনেক কিছু শিখেছি, অ্যান্ড আমি চাই কি আগেও এই জায়গা থাকে আমি অনেক কিছু শিখবো। দ্যাটস
So we want to explanation in English also.
Amravati is the best place. I learned a lot from this, and I literally want to learn more about Amravati.
So, why you are living here?
Because my father doing job, so I have to purchase. I think Milghat is not good in education system. I can't say that perfectly, but I think it's have lack of education. So
That's why you are living.
So I think Amravati is the best place for education. So that's why I came here.
So,
Okay.
okay,
It's
you are
very
very
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.